Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and removing batteries or unplugging the USB-C cable. This prevents short circuits. Once done, grab T6 and T8 Torx drivers, a spudger, cotton swabs, and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you work on a clean, static-free surface and lay out a small tray for screws. Now remove the back screws and gently pry the shell open with the spudger. Go slow at plastic clips so you don't snap anything. Keep track of each screw by location. Once open, expose the joystick gimbal and look for dust, fuzz, or corrosion on the potentiometer and surrounding area. Orientation matters for reassembly. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge debris, then lightly dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl and clean around the gimbal and pot seals to remove grime. If the module wobbles, check retaining tabs and screw holes. Tighten or swap the stick module if worn. After cleaning, reassemble just enough to test stick range and drift. You reassemble the controller carefully, aligning clips and tightening screws in their original order. Reinstall batteries. Then connect to your console or PC and open the Xbox Accessories app to run stick calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to center and set dead zones. Make sure sensitivity looks normal during testing. If drift persists after cleaning and calibration, consider replacing the stick module or the entire board. If you still see drift, one key tip: test with a known good controller to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.